got this in the mail. Ordered it on Temu for a fraction of the price. Right, Ari? You love coffee? If you love coffee, wag your tail. Okay, it's my first time using this Teslux. I just turned it on for the first time, and we'll see what happens. I'm excited, because you can take this when you're done and take this whole thing out and store it in the fridge, which is great. Okay, so the lights have stopped blinking. I want a 2-shot latte, so I'm gonna push that. Nothing's happening. That's okay. And I had to make sure that this is pointing in there. All out of. I love it today. Oh, look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Looks amazing. Yay. And let's take a look at it. Looks amazing. Yay.